Welcome to the GoMLS app tutorial. GoMLS offers an intuitive user experience, an array of tools, listing details, photos, homeowner information, maps, and much more, all in a mobile app that gives you the power of your desktop right on your iOS or Android mobile device. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use all of the features offered through the app. First, let's go to the App Store and download the app. Just search for MLSOK. This is how it'll look, for example, in the Apple App Store. Once installed, the app is very easy to use. First, you need to log in. As a member of the MLS, you'll want to use the Agent Login option. Use the same credentials you use to access your listing system. We'll get to more about the consumer login later in the tutorial. Once you've launched the app, notice that it is branded specifically for you with your contact information at the top left of the screen. Let's start with New Search on the left sidebar. This brings the map into full view and a drop-down list of search filters is available. This is also where to go to access any searches previously saved to the app itself. Also, because of the GoMLS integration with your listing system, you can also retrieve searches saved there as well. Hit Cancel to exit saved searches and return to the filter. In this example, let's look for active listings. Then hit Save. Then let's look for homes between 2 and 4 bedrooms. Hit Save again. And now let's look for a list price of between, let's say, $100,000 and $200,000. Scroll down to the 100 for the low end. And then scroll using your finger here to 200 on the high end. Then hit Save again. Once all the filters are activated, tap on the map to remove the drop-down. At the top right, you can search by address, city, zip code, or even a specific MLS number, but the Draw feature allows for a custom area to be searched. Move the map to a specific location by zooming out using the pinch motion with your fingers. Then drag your finger across the screen to move the map. Zoom in using the opposite motion of that pinch feature, or even double tap on the map as well. Then tap the Draw tool. Using your finger, draw the shape in which you'd like to search. Once the shape is drawn, your listings will appear in the shape and thumbnails will appear at the bottom of the screen. To see the details for a specific listing, click on it on the map. Then click the eye in the pop-up. Swipe down to return to the map. Swipe back and forth and click on any of the thumbnail photos below to highlight a specific listing on the map. You can then swipe up from the bottom of the screen again at any time to access the full listing for that property. Scroll through the entire list by using the arrows at either side of the app. If this is a search you'd like to run again, save it using the icon at the right. Or you can also choose to sort your properties, either by price or by listing date. As an agent, you'll have access to the description, overview, neighborhood and location, features, and, of course, all the agent information in the listing as well. At the bottom, use the Directions button to see how to get to the property from your current location. Keep in mind this feature will access a separate map app on your mobile device. The Contact button provides information about the listing agent. The Schedule button allows you to request a viewing. You can also specify how you would like to be contacted and add any notes or requests. The Share button allows you to share this property with clients in a number of ways: email, text message, Facebook, or just copy and paste the link. You can even choose from your list of contacts from your listing system. The Home Assist button under the Share is one of the most interactive ways to share listings and also allow you to keep in touch with your clients. But to show you how to do that, a few things need to be done first. Namely, your clients need to be able to use your app. Let's go back to the sidebar and take a look at the Share app feature. This will allow your clients to put your personalized app on their mobile device and communicate with you using the app itself. Let's choose to share this with a prospective client, John Homebuyer, via email. Text messaging will work as well. Let's send this email to John with the link to the app contained inside. Now, we'll switch devices from your iPad to your client's mobile device, in this case, an iPhone. Now, the client will check their text or their email and see a link from you. I'll go to my Yahoo Mail where we just sent this link. I've got an email from GoMLSOK. All I need to do now is click the link in my email. It'll take me out to the App Store, and that client will be able to download your customized version of the app to their mobile device. Next, they'll be able to register for a free account. When they tap the green button, they can set up a password. Their email will be their username. Now, let's log into the consumer version of Go to MLSOK. Note that your client's version of the app contains your contact information. He's got your personalized version of the app. Now that this person is set up as a client in Go to MLSOK, let's again switch devices back to your iPad. Let's share a listing using Home Assist. Choose Share, then Home Assist. You can now see that your new client is available for you to send a listing. Send the listing along with a note if you'd like. Now, let's switch back to the client's device again. Now you can see on your client's iPhone, he has a notification from you about a listing. He can tap on it, take a look at that listing. He's even got your note to him as well. Let's open up that listing. Notice he can scroll all the way through. He sees the description, the overview, the neighborhood and the location, even the features. But all the information about the agent, aside from the name and the phone number, aren't available. Let's see some other differences between the consumer and agent versions. On the sidebar, you can see that the Home Assist section is replaced by Messages, and features like Contacts, My Listings, and Directory are also missing. These features are only available to agents. Additionally, only some search filters are available to the consumer as well. MLS areas, open houses, and agent IDs are the types of filters that are missing from the consumer version when compared to the agent version. But the consumers can still perform their own searches as well. He can open up his own listing, save it to his favorites, and you'll be able to see that as well, even if he doesn't share this listing with you. Now let's go back to the listing you just sent to this particular client. We'll go back into the messages section, and your client can respond back to you about the listing. Now, we'll switch devices for the last time, so you can see that you've been sent a request to set up a listing appointment from your client. You can see in the upper left-hand corner, you have a notification about a message that's come to you from that client. Let's click on it. We'll click on the Home Assist, and you've got John's message. The rest is up to you. And that covers Home Assist, one of the most dynamic features of the app. Now let's look at the remaining features on the sidebar. The Near Me option will draw a radius around your physical location and find any listings around you at that very moment. You can access your own listings from your own listing system by tapping My Listings, or you can find people in your directory, or your contacts. Again, all directly integrated from your listing system. About provides technical specs, while Feedback allows you to pass on your thoughts or suggestions for the app. And the Help section is a very helpful way to see how the app works in 4 short screens: Searching, Results, Messaging, and Home Assist, and viewing saved searches and the sidebar menu. That completes the GoToMLS app tutorial. We hope you enjoy this app that offers the power of CoreLogic data integrated with your MLS data, all in a mobile package designed to help you get results.